Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it
Dollies, I'm back again with an entrepreneur vlog. So today I'm just chilling. I've been doing like a lot of content creation on my phone, and I've been mixing this clear lip gloss. I wanted to show y'all real quick what your consistency of your clear lip gloss should look like. I came up with this consistency mainly because I don't like when my lip gloss is too thick or too thin. So this right here is a perfect consistency that you want to go for when you're making your lip gloss base. So when I'm making my clear lip glosses, right, I like to go in with my key ingredients. So I'm about to show y'all right now what it looks like. This is fractionated coconut oil that you need for your lip gloss business. You need this fractionated coconut oil because one, it's extremely thin. So you could think of this coconut oil as a thinner for your lip gloss. A full breakdown. So I really hope y'all enjoy this breakdown. So this is the TKB lip gloss that I'm gonna leave in my description down below so y'all can go ahead and use this. This is the actual base that you're gonna use for your lip gloss, but you cannot use this base alone because it's extremely thick and your customers are going to be complaining. This is Versagel. Versagel is a ready to make lip gloss. It's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. And the best part about it is it's made in the United States. So you will get this extremely fast. I'm not sure where the headquarters is, but I've seen a lot of tutorials on how to make lip gloss from scratch, but no one really breaks it down. Hydrogenated polyisobutane is a type of chemical that is used in cosmetics to make it shiny. That's where the shiny effect is coming from. So you actually don't have to go out and buy the hydrogenated polyisobutane because it's already in this TKB lip gloss, which is so beneficial. You don't have to go and get it. Usually you can go and buy it on TKB website. I get all of my TKB lip gloss bases from the actual TKB website, or you can use my Amazon storefront to go ahead and get this TKB lip gloss base. Versagel is the best one to use. I don't know about the other ones that people be using. I just stick to this. So if you want to go ahead and start your lip gloss business with this TKB, it's great. Bowl, I got this bowl from the dollar store, and I get all of my utensils from the dollar store as well. You basically unravel this. This is how this looks when you open it. That's how that looks. And you can seal it real nice and tight. And make sure you get all of it out. I highly recommend for you to fold it up like this and just take it out. Squeeze get all the corners of all the chemical. Very, very good for your lips. And look professional when you're selling your lip glosses. Light and nourishing, and it promotes healthy looking skin. Skin on your lips is still skin, so you definitely want to use this coconut base. Super, super. It looks yellow a little bit on the camera, but trust me, this is something that you want for your lip gloss. This is what my lip gloss looks like. It's called Pucker Up. This is a illuminating ultra high shine finish. This one is actually empty because I'm working on filling some tubes. So if you guys want to see me fill some tubes, go ahead and give this video a like so I can show you guys my lip gloss hack on how I fill these tubes without making a mess. And it can help you in your lip gloss business. I use vinyl on my lip gloss tubes, and I got this lip gloss tubes from Alibaba online. It came in 3 to 5 business days. I got them uncustomized. I wanted to go ahead and customize them myself. Everything is extremely handcrafted over here. If you go ahead and shop with Kendra's Collections, I mix it myself. As you can tell, I have my own mixture right here, and eventually I will go ahead and get a lip gloss machine, which I'm going to put up on the screen right now, that you can go ahead and get that lip gloss machine. But as for right now, you could definitely use disposable plates that you could get from the dollar store, and the utensils. These are the utensils that I use. This is the Smart and Simple Everyday Assorted Knife, Fork, Spoon Premium Vinyl that I use on my lip gloss tubes. And as for this is glitter vinyl that you can get from Michael's. You can get it from Joann's. I usually go to Joann's to get all of my lip gloss stuff. Now, as for the lip gloss boxes. Now this was a little tricky. This is a little story time that I have to tell y'all about, because I went through hell and back to make this lip gloss box. I got some regular construction paper. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Regular construction paper from Walmart, right? And I couldn't find the glossy lip gloss paper. So I actually was recommended by Cricut to use certain type of paper that I'm gonna put up on the screen right now so y'all can see. But I had to settle with this. But it's still good, because either way it goes, you don't want to put too much into packaging, because 7 times out of 10, a lot of people aren't going to keep the packaging. I, for one, I love to keep my packaging, so I'm just one of those crazy people that, you know, really care about packaging. But for the most part, a lot of people do not care about packaging. When it comes to your lip gloss packaging, you do want to make sure you have directions on your lip gloss. So right here, I have the ingredients and the directions on the back side of the lip gloss. Usually when you search for cosmetics, or you're in Sephora, you're in Ulta, you see directions directly on the back, because that is by nature what humans do. When they pick up a product, they flip it to the back. So you definitely want to go ahead and have your directions directly right here. And you definitely want to include some cosmetic symbols. I do have 3 cosmetic symbols that all have different meanings. I have how long you're supposed to keep this Pucker Up Gloss Glistener for. It lasts for 12 months. I do have the bunny, which is the cruelty-free icon, the cosmetic icon that you want to include for sure. And we work with a company that recycles these boxes, so these are good to go. Now I go ahead and I include the directions directly in the middle. I love to include the ingredients first. I got my template idea basically from Fenty Beauty, and this is similar layout of what Fenty Beauty has for her lip glosses. You can look up your ideas on Pinterest. You can go up and see some packaging ideas on Pinterest to see what you want your layout to be for your lip gloss 2 bottle cases. Now, as for the middle, for the directions, you want to make sure it's simple and straight to the point. So for my directions for the Pucker Up Gloss Glistener, I have applied Pucker Up with the Petite Puck Pick. The Petite Puck Pick is what I named my lip gloss stick. Great marketing skill. Name everything for your cosmetics. The Petite Puck Pick is what I came up with, because petite means small. Puck Pick because this is the Pucker Up lip gloss, and it looks like a toothpick. So that's why I went ahead and decided to name it the Petite Puck Pick, which is great marketing. It's eye-catching, and it just makes the reader want to continue reading. As I continue, it says, it glides on easily to leave lips luminous and moisturized. Definitely want to go in and describe what the customers should feel when they're using your product. The ultra shiny and smoothing formula is cruelty free and vegan. Definitely describe the product. What is it? My Pucker Up lip gloss is vegan and cruelty free. Everything is 100% organic. I will be showing you one of my key ingredients that I have for this if you watch the whole entire video until the end. That's when I will be showing it. So on this side, which is on the left side of the front right here, I included Illuminating Shine, Nourishing Wear, Glistening Finish Touch, Softer Lips. These are the main benefits that my Casey babes will experience when using the Pucker Up Gloss Glistener. Definitely will have Illuminating Shine on your lips because it's a high shine finish. With that hydrogenated polyisobutane, it gives off a natural glistening effect, hence naming it Gloss Glistener. Perfect, beautiful. Now onto the Nourishing Wear. It deeply moisturizes your lips because all of the organic ingredients such as the vitamin E oil, coconut oil, rose geranium, super moisturized, and I'm going to keep explaining that to you later on in the video. And Glistening Finish Touch and Softer Lips. Now as for the front, I have the name. I wanted to keep it nice and simple. I didn't put the K, the Kendra K, at the top because I wanted to be super simple and elegant, a high appeal. So I just wanted to go ahead and only include Kendra's collections, and I decided to put it this way because it looks more sleek, it looks more professional, looks more eye appealing, and it looks like something that would be in Sephora. Manifesting that. So in the front, I do have Pucker Up, the name of the lip gloss. You definitely want to include the name of the lip gloss for your tubes. And I put Gloss Glistener. Now I named it Gloss Glistener because you definitely want to include something that make your product stand out. Now being that this is a lip gloss, I decided to do make sure lip gloss is in it, but I didn't want to put lip gloss, Gloss Glistener, because that's extremely long. Glistener because it's illuminating finish touch. I definitely wanted to go ahead and point that out to my customers and make sure they know this will be a very good product for their lips. You definitely want to go ahead and include a different language just in case you have international customers that do not know how to read English. So I do have Spanish on this side, and I do have French. So right here, I did include a French translation of Pucker Up Gloss Glistener. You can use some type of online translator to go ahead and translate that, and definitely make sure you include the hyphens, the accents, and everything you need to allow for the foreign language to be displayed appropriately for your customers. Now as for the bottom, you definitely want to go ahead and include the size of the tube. You want to put it in US measurements or any of the measurements that you want to do. Now, as you can see, it's a very good difference with the lip gloss tube and the lip gloss tube box. You don't want to make it too close. You want some space in there. You want some space for your customer to go ahead and not struggle and have some wiggle room with getting the packaging out. These are just little stuff you're supposed to pay attention to when you're selling a product or you have a product for your customers. I did a couple space at the top, nothing too crazy. This is a perfect size. You know the size of your lip gloss tube. You can ask your vendor for the lip gloss tube boxes if you're not ordering the boxes from your vendor. It can help a lot when you're making your lip gloss box. So if you want to go ahead and ask me some questions in regards to this and how I made it and how I made it so perfect, you can leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I will be happy to answer your questions. Now as for the top, you do want to go ahead and include a swatch. You usually see a swatch at the top of any lip gloss packaging, and you want to include the name. You can make the swatch yourself. You can put it on a transparent background and add it to the top of this, and this is on the top of the flap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and become a dolly. If you want to go ahead and shop my Pucker Up clear lip gloss, it'll be available in the description below. And if you stayed to the end of the video, here is a secret ingredient that I use in my lip gloss, and this is the rose geranium. This helps with wrinkles in your lips. As women, we tend to age very fast in our neck and in our lips, and I definitely want a solution for my lip glosses, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to go ahead and try this therapeutic oil, the link will be in the description. See you guys in the next video. Bye.